I stop and talk to somebody, I'll switch to the camera mic. And with the engine off on both. Oh, lovely spot, huh? It's Richmond. How the mic can handle the mic stand while stationary. Let's see how the mics can handle the bike sound while stationary. Now we'll just take the helmet off to see how they handle voice without being muffled in the helmet. This is the Husqvarna Nuda 900R, in case you don't know her. Oh man, look how dirty it is. At the same time, look at that titanium. Doesn't get that dirty, right? Let's see how the mics can handle the bike sound while stationary. Now we'll just take the helmet off to see how they handle voice without being muffled in the helmet. This is the Husqvarna Nuda 900R, in case you don't know her. Oh man, look how dirty it is. At the same time, look at that titanium. Doesn't get that dirty, right? Having edited the footage, here are my thoughts on the two cameras. I was really hoping for the Yi to do well, and I think it did incredible. I mean, the video quality is just as good, if not even better, than the GoPro 6. Both cameras are set as default, except that on the Yi, I found out that when I did the first test, it was just, the video was washed out. I don't know how to describe it. So I lowered the EV value, the exposure value, to -0.5, and that solved it. and then I set the sharpness to high. That's the only difference. People like me, I'm not a video editor, I'm not a color expert. All I want is a camera that I switch on, point, shoot, take to edit, no processing whatsoever, and edit, export on YouTube. I don't want to play around with color grading and all that stuff. So what I look for is just standard stuff that comes out of the camera in and out. And that's why I had to set the E in that setting. But having said that, it looks like all the research and development went into the video quality and they completely forgot about the sound. Now, I don't care about camera sound when I'm riding because I never record that. And as you see from the test, all cameras are rubbish at that. And if you are searching for the holy grail, which is good sound while you are riding, forget it. Nothing will do it. You have to use an external sound recorder. Now, but the problem is when I stop or interact with people and so on, I switch to the camera sound, and the E sucks. Why did they do it this way? I mean, didn't they realize that they've got a fantastic video camera with a sound that is so bad? It's to the point of being unusable. I mean, I'm disappointed. I love the video quality, and if the sound was good, it will be my main camera, but I can't use it this way. And I tested it with the mic adapter with a very expensive mic that I'm using here now on this DJI Osmo, and it's just the same. You can't set anything on the sound. You can't. I think it's all to do with levels and whatever. It's I don't know. I'm not an expert, but the GoPro 6 did very well under all circumstances, and I have nothing against GoPros. I've used them since version 3. I haven't had a single problem with them. I didn't even have a corrupted file, and I've got all praise for them. But I need more competition for them, and the only reason why I got the 6 so soon after the E is that Amazon sent me a message saying GoPro 6 £100 off. So I said, what the hell, I'll buy it. Or else I wouldn't have got it. I would have been happy with my 5. But my aim is to move all my recording to 4K 60 FPS. Make them future proof. Now people say, oh, we don't want to see 4K. Then you just choose whichever lower resolution you like, all the way from 1440 to 1080, even 720. But I want to do 4K 60 FPS. I've got it mount. By the way, you can use the GoPro accessories to mount the E. It has a waterproof case, which is just like the GoPro. In the center, you've got that thing where you can mount it with GoPro mounts. I've got it here using a fancy swivel mount that I got from the company used to be called Dead Cat Dot. I wish they still do stuff like that. I just wanted more flexibility because you can turn the camera sideways a lot more using their mount than the standard GoPro mount, which you see there. Other than that, it is a great camera video-wise, but the sound, man, please ye put some research on it and come up with better sound. And I hope you give GoPro a run for their money, which will result for GoPro to drop their prices and even do better cameras.